Sona, tell everybody how long our nap was. It was 15 long minutes, wasn't it? One of us woke up refreshed. It wasn't me. It was you. But that's okay. How happy are you? Wish I could be that happy after 15 minutes of rest. Tell everybody how you do it. How do you wake up so cute every day? 15 minutes, is that the trick? Are you ready to meet Santa Claus today? Yeah? Yeah, are you excited? Yeah. Look at you. Aren't you adorable? I love you too. It says I love mommy on your shirt. Yawn. Well, your daddy's gonna be home very soon. And we're gonna go see Santa. How's that? Uh-huh. That sounds amazing. We'll do that too. Okay? Say hi to Mira Masi. She's probably the one that watches these videos the most. Say hi, Mira Masi. Hi, Mira Masi. Hi. Hi. Oh goodness, this is too close for you. Say hi, Mira Masi. Oh boy, got me in the eye. Oh, got me in the nose. Got me in the cheek. Oh, okay. That's a warning. I know that's a warning. Okay, let's say bye. Bye. Say bye. Say bye.